Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish stock from bones. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 to 2 pounds of fish bones and heads, ensuring they are fresh and clean. Also, prepare aromatic vegetables such as 1 medium onion, 2 celery stalks, and a few sprigs of fresh parsley. Don't forget 1 bay leaf and about 10 black peppercorns to enhance the flavor profile. Next, let's prepare your ingredients for cooking. Rinse the fish bones and heads very well under cold, running water to remove any impurities or blood, which can make your stock cloudy. Roughly chop your onion and celery into large pieces. There's no need for fine dicing. Place all the cleaned bones and chopped vegetables into a large, heavy-bottomed pot, ready for the next step. Now it's time to start cooking. Pour about 8 cups of cold water over the bones and vegetables, ensuring everything is submerged. Bring the pot to a very gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Avoid a rolling boil, as this can make the stock cloudy and extract undesirable flavors. Skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first 15 minutes of simmering. Finally, let's finish and store your delicious fish stock. Allow the stock to simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes. Cooking longer can make it bitter. Once done, carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth for a clear result. Let the stock cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 3 days or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.